Find out the HCF of 0.11, 0.121, and 0.1331. Now we can easily convert these decimal numbers into fractions. So 0.11 we can write it down as 11 upon 100. 0.121 we can write down as 121 upon 1000. And 0.1331 we can write it down as 1331 upon 10,000. Now we have to find out the HCF of these three fractions. Now HCF of fractions is very simple. The formula is HCF of numerators upon LCM of denominators. So now HCF of numerators, that will be HCF of 11, 121 and 1331 upon LCM of 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay. So we can find this out easily as well because the numerator numbers are powers of 11. So highest common factor will be 11 and the LCM of denominators will be 10,000. So therefore, the final answer HCF of the given decimal numbers will be 11 upon 10,000, that is 0.0011. That is option C.